Hi everyone, my name is Bria, and if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I have a really cool video for y'all today, so hopefully y'all stay tuned and enjoy it. Hey YouTube, Banartey here, and today I'm back with another YouTube video, period. Today I'm bringing you guys a vlog slash get ready with me style video. I do have an award ceremony that I will be attending tomorrow, and I kind of just want to get ready with y'all for it. So yeah, I don't know if I want to probably gonna redo my hair. And yeah, I just want to come on here, update y'all, and I will see you guys soon, probably when I start my hair, or yeah, probably when I start my hair. I'm probably just gonna rebraid it. It's been out for a while, so it's kind of losing definition a little bit. So probably just gonna rebraid it for the night and then get up tomorrow and start getting ready for the award ceremony. So yeah.
Dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know.
Okay, so this is basically how we look, and I'm kind of in a rush, but this is the fragrance for tonight, and I'm going to put in jewelry and come back to y'all. Bye. Okay, y'all, so this is how I look. I'm wearing a button up. I'm wearing a white button up, jeans, and my jewelry, necklace. I did a little bit of makeup, and my hair is down today, but I did put a rubber band in my pocket just in case I need to put it up. It's a little foggy outside, so just in case it rains or anything like that, I'm also trying to bring a raincoat. But yeah, I'm in a rush, but I'll see you guys later. Bye. I will try to either update you guys tomorrow about what I'm doing tomorrow, but I'm not doing much. I might be going out shopping for school stuff, but I've still not yet decided yet. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated though. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Okay, y'all, so today I'm about to go work out. Y'all can see from the outfit. Is he eating? Are we eating? We eating. I'm trying to fix the bun, but we're just going to work out, so I'm not really worried about the bun at all. I got my AirPods on standby, period. Oh, it kind of matches. Not really, but I'm gonna go work out and get this day started. We're gonna be productive today. Yes, we are, because we got stuff to do, stuff to get done, period. But yeah, I really want to work on cardio stuff and like running and endurance. So that's what we're probably gonna do today. I don't know if I'm gonna film in there. I don't know, okay? No promises, queen. I love you, but no promises. Thank you. I actually just got this like yesterday. It's the Orgain Plant Protein Shake. And it looked good. It wasn't too expensive. So I got them. I'm going to put some of them in the refrigerator. So I can have one like chilled when I get home from the gym. But yeah, so I'm eating an egg and grapes. I know it looks like a small breakfast, but usually when I work out, I can't eat big meals. And I also should have kind of done 2 eggs, but I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'm about to get some of these like cut, and then yeah, but I'm gonna see you guys later.
Me crazy, we can both be insane. A fatal attraction is common, and what we have common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this.
Okay, y'all, so just got back from the gym. My phone is dying, so this is gonna be a little bit rushed, but I'm basically gonna take a shower and everything like that and get to editing and a lot of other stuff that I kind of have to do for just school, things like that. But yeah, today was really productive. I biked 2 miles and I ran 2 miles, and I also did some weightlifting and stuff like that. So yeah, we had a good gym day. We did. But I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so I just took out my braids, the mini braids, that I had in, today is Friday and I took them out on Tuesday. So it's been a couple days and I had my hair out for a few days. But yesterday I had my hair actually up in a bun. But I believe for Wednesday, Thursday, I had my hair out like this. So it did shrink a little bit, but it's still like really big and voluminous and stuff like that. But I do need a trim, so I'm trying to cut my hair myself soon. So hopefully that works out as I plan. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks like after taking it out from mini braids. So yeah. Okay y'all, so quick update. This is my breakfast: protein shake, glass of water, bananas, strawberries, and I'm currently getting on my computer to edit and do a bunch of work and emails and stuff like that. So yeah, just a quick check-in. Okay, so right now we're gonna get started on this little mini haul of like self-care products that I got for myself for school, and a lot of these items are skincare products. So this is the first item that I picked up. It's just vitamin C. Vitamin C helps with brightening the skin and getting rid of hyperpigmentation or dark spots and things like that. So I picked this up from, I believe, Marshall's. And it was probably $5.99 or $6.99 around there. Next, I ordered some products from Good Molecules. They're a skincare brand. And then I ordered two of the same thing. It's their Discoloration Correcting Serum, and I ordered two of them. One of them in the jumbo size and the other one in the regular size. I'm actually going to be using this product in today's video as well, so stay tuned for that. Next, we have Crest whitening strips. Just teeth whitening. I'm going to be doing these tonight as well, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I have an old pack of these that I used literally last year. Like I did the same like prepare with me for last year, but this one only had one left, so yeah, I bought a new one. And then I got this foot peel mask. It's like an exfoliating foot mask. I actually probably should do this tonight as well because it takes a couple of days for your feet to get back to normal after it like peels and does all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try to do that maybe tonight, honestly. So yeah, and I got this from TJ Maxx and it was $4.99. So yeah. Next, I got some false care by Kiss. This is how it looks. And then from the same false care line from Kiss, these are eyelash tweezers. That's what they look like. Super cute packaging. And last but not least, I got eyelash extensions. I got these from Amazon. I got all three of these from Amazon. But yeah, I'm going to be attempting to do my own eyelash extensions. So yeah, and I will be filming the process, so stay tuned in this video for more, but I'm very excited. So yeah. And then lastly, for skincare, we have this face roller and this xoxo. I really do not know how to say this instrument, but I got this from TJ Maxx and this one I ordered from Shein. This is how it looks. Cute in pink. To be using these today in this video as well. Last but not least, I wanted to show you guys these new fragrances that I picked up. If y'all watch me for a while, you know that I love this one right here. It is called Pure Delicious, and I get this from TJ Maxx. Here's my old one. Here's my old one. It's literally almost gone. I got this from TJ Maxx. Do y'all see the upcharge? I know y'all see that. Like, who told them to add an extra $2? Literally, not even $2, literally $3 because it's $16.99. But this is my favorite scent, so I had to pick that up as a refill before I take off to college. And this one is actually a new scent. I saw it on the clearance rack and I thought the bottle was really cute, so I picked it up, sprayed it, and I really like the smell as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I really don't know what it says. I'm just gonna guess it's something like in French. I'm not too sure though, but I really love perfume, so I had to pick these up. I love the smell of these. Very much give like mature grown woman, but still keeping it sweet and soft, but a smell that lingers as well, because both of them are Eau de Parfum. So yep, I love these.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody's on next up. Damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you because you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any. Girl, that man is so in it. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he be killing them. Gotta be sick of this. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a split and get high and shout at you. Decide what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen.
Okay, y'all, so hair is done, period. I basically did the back with blonde in it, and then the rest of it is black. But yeah, I just want to come on and show y'all real quick that the hair is done. Currently finishing up packing and stuff because tomorrow is move-in, period. But yeah, now I'm just finishing up packing, you know, like the little things that I might forget. So yeah. Okay, so I finished my nails. They're a little, they look good enough. They look good enough, period. They're cute though. I like this color. I think it's the color for me. Right now we're gonna get started on my lash appointment. Yes, I'm going to be doing my lashes myself. So yeah, we're gonna be trying something new because I really haven't done this before, but I've been seeing tutorials on YouTube and TikTok, so I thought why not give it a try. And it's also a way for me to save money and just to doll myself up. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, y'all, so basically right now I have all the materials that I need out. The false scare line by Kiss, and then the lashes. Right now I'm basically going to rewatch like a tutorial kind of thing and then try to do it on myself and bring you guys along with me. But yeah, this is the false scare line. I got all this stuff from Amazon, so I'm going to try to link it down below. So yeah, that's the like glue and like spoolie and stuff like that. This is the tweezers for the lashes, and then these are the actual lashes that I'm going to be using. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully it goes well. I will see you guys later. Okay, so I did do this eye already. I might go back and try to stack more lashes underneath, but for now I'm just gonna keep it like this because I don't want to do too much and like mess up. So for now, this side right here is done, and I'm gonna move on to this side. I'm gonna try to film it as I do it. So yeah, and I have a handheld mirror that I'm like looking at as well. And another thing, I do have one of these like fans that I use to dry it off. So yeah. Also, I'm going to try to link the video down below that I watched. The girl that like gave me the tutorial, she put me on game basically, because I saw her video and I'm like, yeah, Amazon, thank you. 2 to 5 days shipping period. But yeah, her video is more of a tutorial. My video, we're just doing our best. We're doing our best.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody's on next up. Damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any. Girl, that man didn't show any. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Maybe you say he be killing them.
I think I'm going to conclude the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. So make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and the notification down below so you get notified every single time I upload. And you can get me on Instagram because I post more consistently on there, mostly like daily content, my day-to-day stuff. So yeah, I do have my retainers in, so I sound a little funny, but I'll see you on my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that attack.
Love is a guy that thinks he's fine. Also known as a bust now. Always thinking about what he wants to just fix on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. No, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time. No, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine.